Welcome everyone, Dr. Thor here with a very rare psychic training tool. This is a classic ESP scientific send and receive tool from Italy. Quintana Dementia, a message Dahlia. So apparently Tony Binarelli, and we just don't know. I'm assuming he's a celebrity, kind of like your Kreshkin, but he's a psychic, obviously. Tony Binarelli. And it's a really cool, very professional, very well done, and interesting way to do send and receive. And there's a whole way that he has it, and the box itself is used in the send and receive process. And it's got what I like. I like this kind of Ouija board intermixing with regular psychic tools. And of course, that's what you've got here. First of all, you get these kind of Zenard type discs. I don't know if the guy had a show on TV or in general, probably did. But you get these plastic discs like this. They're black and gold. And you've got this little planchette to move things. You've got this cool little board here. Now, this is not just your typical, this is a plastic printed board. Well, I mean, it's a board inside is cardboard, but it's got, it's coated here, which gives you a little more cleanliness, and you can clean it, etc. And it's pretty big, and you see, you can use it kind of as a, for projecting, sending to someone. Well, it has the alphabet on it, which is kind of cool. It also has numbers. So, I mean, that's really nice if you want to get into more complicated. Of course, you've got your typical Zenard type figures here, and the disc I just said, and you have yes and no. So that's pretty cool. And here's the man himself, Binarelli. So, let's go through the book. Now, it's in Italian, but you can figure it out pretty much. It goes into his history, who this guy is, what he's done, etc. So he's a big-time psychic and mentalist. Now, it shows you the basic setup here, which is kind of cool. So you have the box top, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes, and everything is in it, and he's projecting out or sending to this girl here who has the discs in front of her. And of course, you always want to make sure that whatever you're projecting, the image itself is in front of the receiver, so they don't have to concentrate. It's not about concentrating, it's about connecting to the energy. Now, here's the inside of the box I'm going to show you in a moment. It has this circle here where you send your energies through. Now, here we go. It shows you all the components that come with it right here. You're showing the board, the little pointer, the discs. Here he is demonstrating the discs. And here's the general setup. Here's the inside of the top of the cover of the box I'm going to show you here. I hope you can see all this stuff pretty good.